Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 age reversal tips that actually are backed by science and they do give results, like my personal experience. I'm not going to beat around the bush. Let's get straight into it. The very first one is the golden tea or the turmeric tea. This has really helped me, especially if you're talking about inflammation, because if you have inflammation you will age faster. So for that, what you have to do, you have to make turmeric tea, which is very easy to make. All you need to do is take pinch of turmeric, then you add a little bit of black pepper into it. If you want, you can even add honey and then add warm water and have it first thing in the morning when you wake up. So it helps in reducing redness, puffiness, inflammation, and also eczema and all of the other inflammatory skin issues that you might be having. Okay, let's talk about tip number 2, जो कि है collagen supplementation. So as you start aging, ना 20s से जैसे आप ऊपर होते हो, you start losing collagen 1% every year. So just do the math, कितना collagen आप already lose कर चुके हो by the time you hit 30s or 40s. तो उसके लिए you need to supplement collagen outside से, because that will help in building the collagen and that will cause the age reversal that we are looking for. अब बहुत सारे लोगों को मैंने ऑप्शन जब भी मैं देती हूँ तो दे लाइक प्लीज गिव अस सम वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शंस आल्सो, क्योंकि नॉर्मली मार्केट में ज्यादा मरीन कोलेजन या इस तरह के कोलेजन है विच आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन. सो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स फाइंड समथिंग गुड ऑप्शन फॉर यू. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे हैं मार्केट में, बट आई डिडंट वांट टू रिकमेंड यू सिंपली एनी ऑफ इट. When I talk about veg collagen, I really like this one from the brand HK Vital. इस वाले में क्या है, the difference I'll tell you. सबसे पहले तो इसकी बात कर लेते हैं. ये जो है ना, it has real vegetarian collagen peptides. उसके साथ इसमें antioxidants भी हैं like vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid. So it is basically India's first veg collagen or vegetarian collagen, जिसमें कि collagen peptides हैं as part of its ingredients and has the same amino acid profile as the other non-veg collagen. तो अभी आपको होगा कि मार्केट में और भी बहुत वेज ऑप्शंस हैं. देन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दैट? दोज आर जस्ट द कोलेजन बिल्डर्स. दे डोंट हैव द एक्चुअल कोलेजन पेप्टाइड. This one has that. So this is the difference between the others that you find in the market and the HK Vital ka vegetarian option. Now comes the question, how do you consume it? Very easy. You have to take 200 ml of water in a glass, then you add like spoonful of this collagen into it, mix it and you consume it. It's that simple. आपको कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Now next question होगा कि what to expect, कब results दिखेंगे. So this is something like you have to be consistent. Overnight results नहीं आते इसमें. You have to consume it for longer duration to see the results. So let's start. आपने आज शुरू किया, so within 30 days you'll see like आपको फर्क दिखने लगेगा कि your skin will become more radiant, dullness तो कम हो जाएगी, थोड़ी skin smooth होने लग जाएगी, in the first month. In the second month you'll see that आपकी जो fine lines and wrinkles है वो थोड़ी visibly reduce होने लग जाएंगे. You'll also see like the skin is becoming more younger, more hydrated and plump. So now the thing is you have to consume it for the longer duration to actually see a huge lot of difference. The consistency is something that you have to keep here. अभी आप लोग ट्राई करो इसको and I will be linking everything in the description box. You can also use my code RJ10 to get discount on hkvitals.com उनकी website पे, and everything will be in the description box. Do try for yourself and do let me know how do you like it. The next one is also a very effective tip, and which is intermittent fasting. So you must have heard about this one, that you are giving yourself like some window in between where you're not eating anything. That would be around 16 to 8, where 16 hours you are not eating anything, and in the window of these 8 hours you're consuming. Now here also make sure that you are following up, like in a sense ki females don't need to fast after the ovulation period, then you can stop, but from the time of your menstrual cycle to the time you are ovulating, you can be doing the 16 to 8 cycle, and it really helps in detoxing your body, giving that break to your cell regeneration and discarding all of this extra free radicals that are roaming around, which actually cause aging. So what will happen with this is you will see cellular repair, you'll see growth hormone increase, you'll see reduced inflammation and better skin clarity. Now next one is equally very important, and that is sleep optimization. They say that if you don't sleep for 1 year straight on a regular schedule, your skin ages almost 7 years. So this is how important your sleep is. So what you can do is, for this you could be making sure that you're not using any kind of gadgets before sleep, you use magnesium, you take help of meditative music and all of those things, so making sure that you are getting good amount of sleep. Now tip number 5, we all know that you have to combine all of this with a strategic exercise combo. So here you could be doing strength training, you could be doing yoga, you could be doing walking, you could be doing face yoga, which I have taught you so many exercises, you could be doing lymphatic massage. All of this in combination with other points that I share with you will really help in age reversal. So do drop comment below like which one of these tips are you already doing and which one you feel like doing, or is there anything else that you have been doing which has been really working amazing for you? I would love to know that. So do like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.